at Apollo Hospitals, Hyderabad, work as a team called CACTO team. What is CACTO means? This is a complex angioplasty and CTO. CTO means chronic total occlusions. That means the blocks are there for months together or years together. Total means 100%, and occlusions means there are blocked coronary arteries. So these type of patients, and another group is left main disease. So the left main disease is a dangerous disease. Patient can just collapse and die. So both these type of diseases usually previously has been sent to bypass surgeries. Now with advanced technology, particularly from Japan, our team members got trained in Japan in this advanced technology, and we now treat them without surgery. How we treat them is by special hardware. We got the hardware, how to go to that hard block, make a drill in the hard block and put a stent without any sutures or anything. Like the left mains also, we can treat with special techniques by drug coated stents. So with these two techniques, we are able to treat the patient without surgery. Those patients who are not fit for surgery can get always this advantage and utilize this facility. And other thing is, so many cardiologists from all over the country and abroad are coming, particularly Japanese Dr. Professor Amene, Dr. Galassi from Europe, Dr. Professor Nasu from Japan, one Dr. Rajesh Dev from US, and one more doctor from Suchiken is number one in the world in these techniques, is transmitting a live case from Japan. So all these, there are 300 cardiologists coming all over the country and AP for this workshop. There are a lot of students, fellows who are cardiology people, and they are coming to learn these techniques. When we got a special simulators by which you can do these procedures and learn how to do these procedures. So it is not only helping the patients, it's a very good academic educational program. The Apollo Hospitals has taken the initiative and encouraged us to do this program. So